Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a part of project A and paste it in project B with Filmora 11. Okay, actually this is a question from one of my subscribers. It is AC Studio. So he wants to know, is there any solution if I want to copy a part of project A into project B, such as the text, the effect elements, or the audio music, or something like that. He finished the project A, but he wants to use a part of the project A in project B. And with Filmora 11, we can easily do that. Okay, so let's go to my computer screen. All right, so for example, here I am inside Filmora 11 and this is project A that you want to use a part of this project. So the first action you want to do is to save the project A if you want to use it later. So if you want to save the project, the first thing you want to go to File and then you can click here, Save Project. Okay, and give it a name, Project A. And then I'm going to click Save. So this is the project A and it is saved on my computer. And the next action, you want to delete the part that you don't want to use in your project B. For example, in this case, I can delete all this part. Okay, I'm going to split this part first, and then I'm going to highlight everything here, and then hit the delete button. And also try to delete everything on the timeline. Just keep only the part that I want to copy it to project B. And this is the part that I want to use in project B. And now we need to save this project as a template so that we can use it in project B. To do that, you want to go to File and then click this option, Save Project as Template. And then it will save this project as a new template and you can use it in your project B. Okay, so, and the next thing, you want to open project B. For example, I can create a new project. And this is a new project and now we want to find the template that we already saved. Okay, so to do that, we want to go to File and then find the custom. This is a custom folder where Filmora saved your template. Okay, just click here and then click OK to get rid of the promotion. And this is a part of project A. We want to drag and drop it onto a timeline and to bring back our effect and text or stuff like that. It is very easy, right? And if you have something here, all you need to do is to put this part at the end or in the middle of your project. So that is how to copy project A to project B or a part of project A to project B with Filmora 11. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to download Filmora 11 and use my 20% discount coupon code in the description. Okay, bye and see you again.